Hi everybody, today you are drafting body paragraph 2. So this assignment will look familiar to you. You drafted body paragraph 1 last week. Here's what we have for steps. The first one is to review how I did it with social media. Topic sentence that included your claim and your reason. And then I put in evidence A down here. I analyzed the evidence. This proves that. I put in evidence B right here. Okay. I analyzed evidence B, put in evidence C, and analyzed evidence C. Then I took all of those and I copied and pasted them down to form my paragraph. Step 2 is your turn. You're going to be copying and pasting over your claim and second reason, make it into a sentence. These are ways that you can do it. Another reason that blah, blah, blah is that blah, blah, blah. That's your second reason. Okay. Then you're going to copy and paste over evidence A, include your in-text citation at the end. Don't forget to analyze it here, and then do the same with evidence B and evidence C. Step 3 today is to copy and paste it into your second body paragraph or your essay. Okay, so for today's work, you have to have one other assignment opened up in the tab next to this one so that you can easily copy and paste over. And that is yesterday's assignment, May 4th. Okay, Monday's assignment, you're going to need it because you're going to need to copy and paste over your claim with reason to go into the first box here for your topic sentence. Then you're going to need evidence A, this, with your in-text citation. You're going to need evidence B with the in-text citation, and you're going to need evidence C with the in-text citation in order to build the paragraph. Okay, because you'll be filling it right into these boxes I showed you. Then you'll be copying and pasting it all down to make your second body paragraph. That is really it for today. Quick screencast, but just to review, remember you already did this with body paragraph 1 if you need to go back and look at it. It was done last week on Thursday. Okay? All right. Thanks for working so hard, everyone. Bye.